Hi guys, this is a simple project I made out of soda bottles. Step 1, find an empty soda bottle. Step 2, cut the neck off as shown in the picture. Don't throw the bottle away, I usually use them for tomato planters. You want to trim the bottle neck down until about this level right here. Then you'll be able to snap the bottle cap onto the bottom of the neck and secure it with glue. So this is the end result, guys. It's a pretty cool little container. You can put pills in it, or there's many other uses, and pretty much you end up making something out of nothing. Or at least something that most people end up throwing in the trash.